Morning everyone. We are taking the remaining problems of exercise 6.3. The second problem is in the given figure angle x is equal to 62 degree and angle xyz is equal to 54 degree. If YO and ZO are the bisectors of angle XYZ and angle XZY respectively of triangle XYZ, find OZY and YOZ. Okay, given angle X is equal to 62 degree and angle XYZ 54 degree. Problem number 2. Okay. X, Y, Z. And X is equal to 62 degree. Angle XYZ is full angle is equal to 54 degree and find angle OZY and angle YOZ. OZY, we want to find out, and angle YOZ this angle also want to. Okay, given XYZ is a triangle and also given angle X is equal to 62 degree and angle Y is equal to 54 degree. So we can find out the angle Z. That is angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree using angle sum property. So we can take 62 degree plus 54 degree plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. Then 6 angle Z is equal to 180 degree. Total is 6 below. Then angle Z is equal to 180 degree minus 160 degree. You will get an angle Z. Okay, angle Z will get a 180 degree minus 160, 4, 64. So you get this angle total is equal to 64 degree. Okay, here OY is the bisector of this angle XYZ means these two angles are equal. And also OZ is the bisector of XZY means these two angles are equal. Okay. So what is angle OYZ? OYZ is equal to 54 degree by 2 is equal to 27 degree. Similarly, what is angle OZY? OZY is equal to complete angle 64 degree by 2 is equal to 32. But consider triangle OYZ. These two angles are we get 27 degree and 32. That is angle OZY. Angle OZY we get 32 degree. Next we want to find out YOZ. Consider triangle OYZ. Using angle sum property we can write angle OYZ plus OZY plus YOZ angle is equal to 180 degree. That is 27 degree plus 32 degree plus angle YOZ is equal to 190 degree. Okay, 30. That is 7 plus 2, 9 plus angle YOZ is equal to 190 degree. That is angle YOZ is equal to 190 degree minus 59 degree. You will get the angle YOZ is equal to 59. 190 degree minus 59. 121. Okay. Here, using angle sum property, first we have to find out this angle. And also given that OY and OZ are the bisectors of angle Y and Z. So here formed a triangle. Half of angle Z is equal to 32 degree. Half of angle Y is equal to 27 degree. Because OY is a bisector and these two angles are equal. So consider triangle OYZ. OYZ. Sum of these three angles is equal to 190 degree. Which property? Angle sum property. Then 27 degree plus 32 degree plus this angle is equal to 190 degree. We will get angle YOZ is equal to 121. Okay. Then one more problem is there. Third one, the given figure. That is very easy problem. Third one. In the given figure, AB parallel to DE, angle BAC is equal to 35 degree, angle CDE is equal to 53 degree. Find out angle DCE. Find out angle DCE. AB parallel to DE. AB degree. Not a 30 degree, 35 degree. Okay. This one 53 degree. CDE. AB is AB parallel to DE. Angle CDE 53 degree and angle DCE. We want to find out angle DCE. AB parallel to DE and this is the transversal. We know when the angles are equal. That is angle CDE, then angle BAC. Angle BAC is equal to angle BAC is equal to angle CED is equal to 35. Then we can use angle sum property. Consider triangle CDE. Angle DCE, that we want to find out. Angle DCE. Angle DCE plus 53 degree plus 35 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle DCE is equal to 190 degree minus 53 plus 33 degree. Okay, that is equal to 180 degree minus 88 degree. That is angle DCE. We get it. 88 degree. Subtract 2, 9. That is 92. So this angle is equal to 92. Okay, the students are parallel. This is a transversal. Alternate angles are equal. Then we are trying to alternate angles. Okay. Then using angle sum property. Here we are trying to write angle sum property. Then we can find out angle BCE. Okay. The next problem. In figure, if lines PQ and RS intersect at the point T such that angle PRT is equal to 40 degree, angle RPT is equal to 95 degree, and angle TSQ is equal to 75 degree. Find angle SQT. Question number 4. Okay. Lines PQ and RS. PQ and RS intersect at the point T such that PRT 40 degree, PRT this angle 40 degree, RPT 95 degree, RPT 95 degree, and TSQ 75 degree. 75 degree. Find angle SQT. SQ is angle. Okay. Consider angle PTR. We can find out this angle. Using which property? Angle sum property. That is, here we can write. Consider triangle PTR 95 degree plus 40 degree plus angle PTR is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, 95 plus 40, 135. Okay, 135 degree plus angle PTR is equal to 190 degree. Therefore, angle PTR is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree. You will get this angle. 1. What is the 1? Okay, 45. 180 minus 135. 190 minus 135. 5. 45. That is, this one is 40 degree. You know, these two are two lines intersect each other at the point. Then you know these two angles are vertically opposite. Therefore, this angle is also. Okay. Again, you consider. We want to find out angle SQT. So consider this triangle SQT or TSQ. Here again, applying which property? Angle sum property. Find out this. Okay. First you consider this triangle using angle sum property, find out this angle. Then these two triangles, these two are equal because vertically opposite angle. These two are two lines intersect with the point T. Again, after the angles of this triangle also, you will get this angle S2 that you will do as opposite. Okay, then one more problem that we will do the next class. Not one, no, two more problems. Okay. Okay, one more question, two more questions that we will do the next class. Okay, thank you.